Hi guys, welcome to DIY project. In today's video, I will be sharing on how to frame comic books. As you can see, I'm quite a fan of comics, be it locally made or intentional ones. As such, I do have a variety of comic collections. Some of these comic artworks do catches the eyes and I wanted to frame them and hang it onto the wall. Note that the comics that can be framed are those that are thin enough to fit into the frame. For this project specifically, I choose an A4 size frame. The frame that I will be using can be bought from local Mr. DIY shop for a price less than 5 ringgit. It's a huge bargain considering how cheap it is to get one. First, remove the protections from all 4 corners of the frame. The trick to remove them nice and easy is to peel off one side of the protection slip first. Go over the stapler, grab from both sides of the paper and yank it off. Repeat the same process on the remaining protection. Then, remove the back panel from the frame. Be sure to clean the inner part from any debris. After that, place the comic at the center of the frame. Place any A4 blank paper of any color that you prefer as a background. Once done, you can close the back panel. That's it. Now you're done and the frame can be hung onto the wall. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Till then, signing out.